Gate 16, Enthusiasm, the gate of skills. The great art of enriching life by the harmonic challenging of energy. Talent by its very design is so often dependent on others for manifestation. The defining of the spleen to the throat allows only for verbal manifestation. Every gate of the throat center has a voice. The 16th gate says, I experiment. Since the understanding circuit is about patterns and focus, it makes a clear statement about the quality of talent being dependent on repetition. Constant experimentation over and over, goaded by the critical capacity to find the perfect expression. The 16th gate is the gate of skills, the ancient Chinese hexagram of music, dance, and the arts. However, this gate is not specifically about the fine arts. Inherent in its capacity is skill for living, a talent for life. One of the keys to design analysis is to recognize that harmonic gates are always projecting each other's attributes on the other. The 48 is always self-critical about how not having enough skills, and the 16 not enough depth and more complex. The 48 will confuse skills with depth, and the 16 vice versa. This was a relationship of John Lennon, 48, and Paul McCarthy, 16. Line 1, Delusion. False enthusiasm. Exalted, the daydreamer. The expression of talent through daydreaming. Detriment, the public communication of inevitably unrealized claims. The tendency to express fantasy as fact. Line 2, the cynic. The sharpness to burst bubbles. Exalted, self-reliance and the skill to judge objectively any claim regardless of rhetoric. The expression of the skill to judge objectively. Detriment, the compulsive cynic whose very cynicism is a source of enthusiasm. Objectivity expressed through cynicism. Line 3, independence. Self-generating and sustaining enthusiasm. Exalted, the proper timing to maintain rhythm and avoid deflation. The independent skill and possible talent to express proper timing and rhythm. Detriment, the child whose overconfidence may lead to frustration and the ensuing dependence on others to regenerate enthusiasm, thus creating an unnecessary reliance. The need to have others confirm one's skills or talent. Line 4, the leader. Genuine and sincere support and recognition of others. Exalted, enthusiasm for and service to higher goals. The skill to recognize and support the talents of others. Detriment, the demagogue. The refusal to support or recognize the talents of others. Line 5, the grinch. The refusal to share in enthusiasm. Exalted, the power to avoid enthusiasm for the sole purpose of being converted. As with Dickens' Scrooge, eventual conversion leads to greater and more enduring enthusiasm. A lack of confidence in the expression of skills that need the encouragement of others. Detriment, the perverse feeling that sharing in enthusiasm hampers individual development. Why should I be happy when, etc. A lack of confidence in the value of encouraging others. Line 6, Gullibility. The susceptibility to propaganda. Exalted, the ability to experience, examine, and then reject misleading enthusiasm. The talent to assess the expression of others. Detriment, the same principle, but where Neptune will destroy and then seek new forms, Jupiter will painfully withdraw. Its enthusiasm for social structures permanently prejudiced. The failure to assess the expression of others.